Hi guys, and welcome to another Get Ready With Me. This time I did this summery, a very soft girl look that is suitable for pretty much every occasion. I actually recorded this right before I went out rowing in the nearby lake. Now let's get into the video. First I do my brows. I'm using this eyebrow gel by Essence to put the hairs into place. Then I'm just filling my brows and making them look a bit longer with this eyebrow pencil from 𝐿𝐴𝐴𝐻𝐿. To define my brows and make them look more clean, I'm taking Maybelline's concealer in the shade Light. Then I'm taking the same concealer but in the shade Brighter and putting it around the eye area, which will work as a base of the eyeshadow and foundation. To set the concealer, I'm using Essence All About Matte Translucent Powder. For eyes, I'm using Alert shade from Jaclyn Hill's palette with Morphe as a base eyeshadow, and I'm applying this all over my lids. It's this very gorgeous rusty orange color that I really love. Then, to get that glowy and softy look, I'm taking this shimmery eyeshadow called the Cancer from Kathleen Light's palette with Colourpop, and I'm putting it on the inner and middle part of the eyelid. To make my eyes pop even more, I'm tightlining and creating a winged eyeliner with this eye pencil from Pretty. And to get that smoky and still soft effect on eyes, I'm blending the eyeliner. Then I'm adding my favorite pair of lashes to get that flirty look. As a foundation, I use Ordinary Serum Foundation in shade Light Yellow, and I'm putting it all over my face to get rid of that hyperpigmentation. For contour, I'm using the same concealer from Maybelline, and I add it to the center of my face to brighten up the area. I think that this makes a huge difference in making my face more snatched, you know? Then I'm setting the concealer with the same powder from Essence. I also tend to do my lower lash line makeup after I have applied all the products on my face. So here I'm just adding the same eyeshadow that I used as a base on the lids. Then I'm putting the same glittery eyeshadow from Kathleen Light's palette in the very beginning of my waterline to highlight my eyes more. I also added a bit of mascara to my lower lashes. For contouring the rest of my face, I used the eyeshadow darkest shade or matte brown shade from BH Cosmetics Nouveau Neutrals palette. I can make a whole nother video on how I contour my face because it's a lot. But basically I'm just creating these shadows to make my face appear smaller. Then I like to use the same glittery eyeshadow as my highlighter. I add it on my cupid's bow, to my nose bridge, nose tip, brow bones, and cheekbone area, basically everywhere to get that extra glow. To make the look warmer, I'm adding some blush from Essence on my cheekbones and around the face. Then I decided to put the same eyeshadow that I used for contouring my face to my under eye bags. And lastly, for my lips, I'm taking this lip liner from Pretty and slightly lining my lips. Then I lightly blend it with my fingers. For lip gloss, I'm starting off with Luminous Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Old, and then finishing the lip look with this Catrice Velvet Matte Lip Cream 070 to add that depth. To match the makeup look, I decided to slightly curl my bangs and some pieces of my hair to make the look even more cute. And this is the final look. It's super glowy, summery, orangey and soft. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. The normal Dio. See you in the next video. Bye!